first out. Gerba pitching to Brooks Robinson. Robinson hitting .333 on the year, but he grounds out to second on this one. That's 2 down. Here's Dick Williams. He draws a walk. Here's the pitcher. Heck. Struck him out. Yost Bridges Gerba. Heft versus Yost. Yost hitting a crisp 108 on the season, and he rounds out to short, so that even falls lower than that. Looks like he's down to 105 now. Rocky Bridges draws the walk. They're going to let Gerba bat, and he strikes out. He is twirling a shutout right now, so we're not going to take him out. That's Bramante. Rounds out to Hansen, 6-3. Breeding, Brandt, Herzog. Top of the order for Baltimore. And it's the top of the 6th. 1-0 Halos. 0-2 pitch. Pops it up. Fouls out to Averill. Out number 1. Jackie Brandt. That is a base hit to center. Okay, then we have Herzog hitting .333. And he grounds into a 4-6-3 double play. And Gerba is shutting them down through 6. We've got Ken Hunt, Leon Wagner, Earl Averill due up. A little trivia question on the bottom there. How many seasons saw Hank Aaron blast 50 or more homers? The answer is 0. Ken Hunt almost blasted one out there, but he flew out to deep right. Here's Wagner again. Flies out to deep left. They're teeing off on Heft. They're just missing these. And Averill pops out to Hansen, so 1-2-3 inning. Pitcher's duel through 6. Gentile foils Hansen due up. Two pitch. Gentile singles near the line and left. That was a long single. Pinch runner Jerry Adair. Just what the Angels needed. 6-4-3 double play. Sorry, 6-4-3. So Hansen is up. Ron Hansen, shortstop. Struck him out. All right. 7th inning stretch. Mizuski, serve. Yost. Clue. Strikes out. We Will Rock You sound effect. Nice touch. O 2 pitch to Yost, flies out to center. And we're heading to the 8th. 1-0. Robinson, Williams, Heft due up. Robinson singles in the hole on the left side. Brings up Williams. Jim Busby will pinch run. Five, 4, 3 double play. The double play is your friend. Alright, we got a batter for Heft. Gene Stevens. Singles up the middle, just past the second baseman. Alright, so we've got a decision to make. Gerby's allowed 7 hits so far, but no runs. And we've got Breeding up, hitting 238. We're going to pitch to him. Pops him up. Caught by Bridges. Retires the side. Bridges, Gerba, Aspromonte. So we're going to bat for Gerba here anyway. But he got us through the inning. Steve Barber's in. He's a lefty. Pitch to Bridges. He grounds out to Snyder. Alright, L for lineup. Batting for Gerba. We could go Bilko. I think that's our best option here. Bilko. Fly. And shooting for Gerba is Steve Bilko. There we go. Oh, there's a base hit. Nice. Bilko is not a fast runner. Let's see, what do we got here? Not a ton of speed on the bench either, it doesn't look like. Alright, never mind. No pinch runner. Okay. Well, he walks Aspromonte, so first and second. There we go. Let's look at our options here. That was M for more. We're not going to change anything. Okay. I don't know if you see that pop-up screen, sorry. Probably don't. So Hunt strikes out, and we've got a lefty versus a lefty here, but we're definitely leaving Wagner in. And he strikes out. Alright, end of the inning. So we've got Brandt, Herzog, and Drapo. And we have have Bilko on the mound, which is, we don't want that. So, show pitchers. There we go. Bilko, Tom Morgan. All right, Tom Morgan. Let's see what we got here. 3-1 pitch. Draws the walk. Dave Philly. Pinch hitting for Herzog. Wonder why he did that. It was already a lefty-righty matchup. Interesting. Ooh, that was close. Line out to shallow center. Great defensive play by Bob Serve. Dropo. Dropo. First base. Grounds out to Morgan. Score at 1-3. Sack bunt. So Brandt is at second. Boyles is the batter. And we're going to pitch to him. Pops it up. Flies out deep center. Guess it wasn't a pop-up. Final score, Angels 1, Orioles 0. Ken Hamlin sustained a minor elbow injury. Sure. Gerber gets the win, Hef gets the loss, Morgan gets the save. All right, and now we can look at the box score. All right, not a whole lot going on in this game. It was pretty much pitcher's duel with that one unearned run being the difference in the ball game. So let's close that. And these games were not completed, so let's sim through this day over here. All right, there's our standings so far. Got the Tigers at 16-3, Yankees at 16-6. Oh, go back. Standings. Sorry, 17-3, 17-6. White Sox, Twins, and Orioles all over 500. The Angels move up to 4-16, so they're ahead of the new Senators, but not doing so hot. And you can see the Senators' ERA over here, 5.36, not good. And the Angels batting 190 as a team, also not good. NL, you've got the Dodgers ahead of the Giants and St. Louis, Philadelphia in last place. So we can go to statistics and reports. See who's ahead. Don Hoke leading the majors in average. Can click on a stat over here to sort it. All right, so Mantle has 9 homers. Cepeda, that's not the big hurt. That's the other Frank Thomas. And let's see. These are batting leaders. Let's go to pitching leaders. Cal McClish with an 0.77 ERA. Again, this is early in the season, right? So what if we do right? Let's what if we sim 1 week? Let's see how long that takes. I'm not going to pause here. There, right? So let's just run through a week, see what happens. We've got the final scores running through at the bottom. You got the standings updating here, and you've got these different stats popping up on the side periodically. So you can just kind of watch. You could simulate the entire year. Just watch things as they progress. If you don't want to interfere at all. Tigers and Yankees kind of running away with it there. The Dodgers ahead of the Giants, and the Reds and the Cubs all with 14 wins here. Expansion teams are struggling quite a bit. So I haven't really messed with it yet. I know there are financial components here, but I haven't bothered with those. So you saw that was relatively, maybe a minute or two to run through a week. So anyway, this is a pretty neat game. It's kind of along the lines of Baseball Mogul, a little bit of out of the park in there type of thing. So anyway, check it out. I'll get you the details. There is like I said, there's a forum where you can download this one for free. This is version 6.12. That was released in 2016. So I'll post the details under the information for the YouTube clip. And that's it. That's PureSim. So until next time,